Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling to get your 4,000 watch hour? Have you been trying so hard to get that 4,000 watch hour? You know, on here we work smartly. I don't gatekeep. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you a method that you get your watch hour fast. You're going to get your watch hour quickly by doing this. I'm going to show you how to use your picture to live stream. If you're someone that is always busy, that doesn't have time to sit on live stream for 10 hours, 12 hours, and you just want to stream with your pictures, I'm going to teach you how you can do that. You don't have to sit on your live stream for 24 hours. You don't have to use a Restream app. I'm going to teach you what you're going to do with your picture. That only your picture will be there and your watch hour will be accumulating. As people are coming into your live stream, they're going to be seeing your picture and your watch hour is going to be increasing. So this is a method I've tried on my other channel. I've even tried this on my channel and it works. You're not going to get copyrighted, you're not going to have any issue. So if you're someone that don't like Restream, you don't want to use Restream, you don't want to sit on live for so long, this is perfect for you. If this is something you're interested in, stay right till the end of this video. Without further ado, let's dive right in. I'm going to start my screen record now so that I'll show you exactly how you can do it under 5 minutes and you can stay on your live. Remember, if you want your watch hour to count, the maximum hour that you can use to stay on your live stream is 12 hours. So once you see that you've reached 10-11 hours, you have to stop that stream and restart another stream, or else YouTube is not going to count it. So that's one important thing you cannot forget. Even you using your picture, you cannot forget this. Even you posting videos or going live, sitting on your live or using your Restream or anything, you can't stay more than 12 hours. Any video that is longer than 12 hours doesn't count on YouTube. Even for a minute, even for a second, it doesn't count. So what you're going to do is end that stream and come back again. You can decide to come back again immediately, but just end it before it's reached that 12 hours frame. So let's start our screen record now. So this is our YouTube app. You're going to go straight to your YouTube app. You're going to click on this plus sign inside of you. Yeah. Once you click on this plus sign, it's going to bring you here. So you have varieties of things. If you want to upload your video, you click here. Your shorts, you click here. Your live, you click here. Your posts, you click here. So what you want to do is you want to go on live with our picture. So you click on live stream. So once you click on live stream, you can click on this pencil icon. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. So you can change your title. You can use any captivating title. Let's say I'm going to use "Spend the Day with Me" or "A Day in My Life." Let's just use "A Day in My Life" so that it's going to be fast. So this is good like this. Visibility, make sure it's public. No, it's not made for kids. So you're going to click on "It's not made for kids." Go live together. You're not going live with anybody. So location, you don't need it. Screencast, you don't need it. Schedule for later, you don't need it. Advanced settings, you don't need it. You can also change your thumbnail here with this pencil icon. So you can take a thumbnail, or you can take a picture for your thumbnail, or you can just upload a thumbnail from your gallery. So what you want to do is, for me, I don't have such time to start looking for a thumbnail or anything like that. So I'm just going to leave my thumbnail like this. So it's going to go and take my YouTube profile picture. That's what it's going to be showing to people, but I don't upload any thumbnail. So I'm just going to click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to ask you again. So I'm going to click on no, it's not made for kids again, because this video is not made for kids. So I'm going to click on it. So it's going live now. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to mute it. You can decide not to mute your own. So if you want, don't mute it. If you want, mute it. But me, I'm going to mute it because I'm using this as an example. So I'm going to mute it. Once you mute it like this, you're going to click on this person that is here, this person logo. So click on it. Once you click on it, can you see the green screen is already there? It's already at my back. Once you click on it, choose any picture that you like for your green screen. So I'm going to choose any picture that I like. Okay, let's say I'm using this for my picture. I'm going to now click done. So just select that picture, screenshot it so that it will be in front, so that you don't start scrolling around and wasting your time. So you're just going to pick it quickly like that and click on done. Once you click on done, you know I'm holding my phone. If you don't have to hold your phone throughout the green screen, you can just drop your phone. It's still going to show that someone is there. People are still going to be entering. So look at this now. I'm just going to go away from the phone so that my face is not going to be showing again. And anybody that enters my stream is going to see this pause and this slippers there. So this is it. You can just drop your phone, let it read for 12 hours. 11 hours, but remember, maximum of 12 hours, 11 hours, anything, then we're done with this tutorial. That's all you have to do. So if you're looking for watch hour, you have to use these features. Use it very well if you're looking for watch hour, because you're going to be getting it. People are going to be entering your stream. You can use a picture of yourself. It doesn't have to be a picture of something. You can use a picture of yourself. You can use a picture of anything. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you for always coming back to my video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.